Hello everyone, you read the latest market news on November the 12th, 2020. Nasdaq closed up 2% as investors returned to tech. The Nasdaq closed up 2% on Wednesday as investors returned to tech stocks and excited economically sensitive sectors. They weighed all the progress in developing a vaccine for COVID-19, the impact of coronavirus outbreaks, and the timing of economic recovery. After a sharp decline for 2 days, the Nasdaq, in which the giants of the tech sector have a lot of weight, received support from securities of companies that benefit from consumer self-isolation. Shares of Microsoft and Netflix Inc. gained more than 2%, Amazon.com Inc. and Apple Inc. more than 3%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 0.08%, the S&P 500 was up 0.77%, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 2.01%. European stock futures fell, UK economy rebounds. European stock markets are expected to open lower on Thursday as optimism over vaccine availability wanes. German DAX futures fell 0.7%, France CAC 40 futures fell 0.6%, and UK FTSE 100 futures fell 0.8%. Economic data on Thursday showed that the UK economy grew 15.5% in the July-September quarter, up from fall of 19.8% in the April-June period. However, growth slowed to 1.1% in September from 2.1% in August, indicating that times are going to be tough. In corporate news, Deutsche Telekom raised its earnings forecasts as its third-quarter results beat forecasts. German engineering group Siemens also reported higher-than-expected profits in its industrial business, although the economy shed 3.4% in shares. In the UK, Burberry said its sales were almost back to pre-pandemic levels in the second fiscal quarter. Emirates loses billions first time in 30 years. Emirates Airlines lost $3.4 billion in the first 6 months of the year, causing the holding company of the state-owned Dubai airline to suffer losses for the first time in over 30 years. The carrier, which suspended operations this year in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, said global flight and travel restrictions mean revenues fell 75% to $3.2 billion and passenger traffic fell 95% to $1.5 million. The Emirates Group, which includes the airline, said its staff dropped 24% as of September the 30th. The airline confirmed that it received financial aid from the Dubai government in equity investments. Fujitsu, Mizuho and PeptiDream team up. Fujitsu Ltd, Mizuho Financial Group Inc. and drug manufacturer PeptiDream Inc. said on Thursday that they are forming a joint venture to develop treatments for COVID-19. The new company, to be named Pepti8 Inc., will research and develop peptide therapies to treat the current SARS-CoV-2 virus and potential future coronavirus outbreaks, the company said. The joint venture also includes Takinaka Corp and Kishida Chemical Co.